Hey everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive and the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page, and right now, we're not in Wildwood. We're actually in our sister town of Avalon and Stone Harbor, which is right over there. And you guys have been asking a lot of questions about A, these weird ships that you've been seeing on the coastline, and B, what's going on with the beach? So today, I brought my drone over here to Avalon to share everything with you. Now before I do, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Now for those who don't know what's going on, Stone Harbor and Avalon awarded a $7.5 million contract to go ahead and replenish their beach because the erosion over here, I mean, as bad as it gets in Wildwood, it's even worse over here because, as you can see from any kind of map of New Jersey, the sand gets carried out and gets pushed all the way down to Wildwood, where it kind of sits either at the end of Stone Harbor or goes into Wildwood proper. So right now, they're going to go ahead and pull out 425,000 cubic yards of all the sand in the inlet and put it right here on the beach. Now, I did bring the drone with me, so we're going to take the drone over the water to show you the dredger, and then we'll show you on land what it looks like as they're kind of throwing it up and pushing it up onto the beach. Let's get the drone in the sky. that kind of cool that they have the technology to do this? I mean, obviously there's a couple nor'easters coming this season, but they're going to keep this project going. They're going to make the beaches bigger for Avalon and Stone Harbor, so this summer you guys will have a nice new beach to play on. Now, thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys later.